Happy morning, dear children. How are you all? Fit and fine, happy, right? Dear children, from now onwards, we will be learning English grammar together. And in our today's class, we will be learning about our lesson 4, interrogative sentences. So, are you ready? Open up your textbooks. Let's learn our lesson 4, interrogative sentences. So, dear children, what are interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are those that ask questions and have a question mark at the end. These types of questions, these type of sentences ask something to us. ये हमसे कोई question पूछते हैं and an interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. So now let us learn further about it, and we will also learn how to make interrogative sentences from a simple sentence. So pay attention and watch this video very carefully, dear children.
Interrogative sentences are those that ask questions and have a question mark at the end. Examples: are you going to school? Have you met Shashi?
So over here, dear children,
Have.
pay attention over here. Are you going to school? Are you going to school? This boy is interrogating something from his friend, right? So, and it is also ending with a question mark. So, such sentences are known as interrogative sentence. See the example 2.
Have you met Shashi?
Have you met Shashi? क्या आप शशि से मिले हो? So, this friend is asking from his other friend that have you met Shashi? He is interrogating. He is asking a question from his friend. I hope you all are clear with these examples. Let us move further.
Shashi, making questions from statements. Read the following statements. I am in.
So, dear children, now we will learn that how we can frame interrogative sentences from a simple sentence. Read these questions or read these sentences, statements very carefully. I am intelligent. I am intelligent. Number 2. You have a pencil. You have a pencil. He is late. So, dear children, these are the simple statements. Now we will see that how can we frame these simple statements into interrogative sentences. Okay?
Intelligent. You have a pencil. He is late. We can turn them into questions in the following manner. I am intelligent. Statement.
So, dear children, I am intelligent. It is a statement. Now, how can we convert it into interrogative, or how can we make it as a question sentence? Am I intelligent with a question mark? See, dear children, M जो है वो आगे आ गया and हमने उसे आगे लाकर यहाँ ending में question mark लगा दिया. So whenever you see I am together in any sentence, we can convert it into interrogative by placing M before I, and we will put a question mark as well. Let us see other examples as well.
Statement. Am I intelligent? Question. Put am at the beginning before the subject I. Add question mark. She was sick. Statement. Statement. Was she sick?
So over here, see the simple sentence or the statement. She was sick. वो बीमार थी. And what has happened over here? Was came before she. And there is a question mark in the end. So this statement is converted into a question. Means in an interrogative sentence. Is it clear?
Question. Put was before the subject she. Add question mark. He is late. Statement. Is he late? Question. Put is before the subject he. Add question.
So over here, dear children, our third example. He is late. So what is done over here? Is came before E, and this is how a simple statement is converted into a question sentence, or we can say in an interrogative sentence. So, is he late? Question mark. This is how we will frame a simple statement into an interrogative sentence. Dear children, the examples we saw today, I hope you all are clear with it. You need to write these examples with the meaning of interrogative sentence in your notebook. In the next class, we will discuss our exercise where we will be practicing how to convert a statement into a question, means an interrogative sentence. Till then, write the meaning as well as the examples we saw today in your notebooks. See you next time, dear children. God bless you all.